Oh, y'all know how to make sticky honey barbecue wings?
We can make that.
And I got some crispy wings too. Oh my good. Do y'all see that? Look at that right there. See the glisten? Yeah. I'm gonna show you how to make it. First, get some clean wings. Clean your wings. Lime, lemon, vinegar, whatever you gotta do. Then cut them things. I get the whole wing and then I cut that thing. You know what I'm saying? It's cheaper and you know what I mean? It's more quality in the wing itself. Now you wanna drop an egg on them wings after they clean, cut, and ready to go. And then what you want to do is season it. You know what I'm saying? Hit it with the starting five. Some salt, some pepper, some garlic, some onion, smoked paprika. And hit it with all-purpose seasoning or maybe some Sazon if you got Spice Kings. You know what I'm saying? Whatever you got, use it. Make sure it tastes good. Make sure it's flavorful. And do what you got to do to get that chicken as flavorful as possible. You know what I'm saying? Mix everything up like this right here. And when I say mix it, I really mean mix it. Hit all the creases and crevices, baby. Oh, yeah. Look, should look like that right there. Ooh, wait. Now, we're going to put that to the side of marinating and work on that dry batter. That's the flour. And we're going to get some cornstarch. You know we got to have that cornstarch, baby. Yeah. Now, what you want to do here is we want to season this flour. We want to season it with the same seasons that we just seasoned the chicken with. You know what I'm saying? So don't be scared. The more seasoned, the better. And it's not going to be salty, especially if you don't have salt in these seasonings. You know what I'm saying? Like onion, garlic. Like the only thing that's going to get the salt up is the salt itself and, you know, the all-purpose seasoning maybe. But mix this in right here. And I don't even think smoked paprika got that much salt in it. You know what I'm saying? Now, after you're done, your flour should look just like this right here. If you don't see no specks in that flour, try again, buddy. You did not season it enough. Let's dip them beautiful, moist, seasoned wings into our flour. You see that right there? Yeah. Let's dip them into that flour. Yeah. We're going to make sure we put all of them in that flour, but don't put too much in the flour. You know what I'm saying? Put like 2, 3 at a time, depending on how big the bowl is. Squeeze it. You see how I'm squeezing it? Make sure you squeeze it. Squeeze it hard. You feel me? Shake off the excess flour. Don't have it all floury and clumped up and stuff, right? We want to get all that off. And we want to sit it on the drying rack. 10 to 15 minutes while them wings sit and wait. We're going to get that heat all the way up to date. Make sure that oil is at least 350. Now we're going to drop our wings. Hit them on the rack. You want to drop these wings slow. Because, hey, man, I don't want nobody getting burned with no hot oil. So drop them in slow once you got all your wings. Don't crowd it up. Make sure some space. Drop them low. Yes. You see that right there. Ooh, wee. When them things get nice and brown like me, so we're going to pick them up, shake them off. Ooh, do they look done? You can go for like a few more minutes. So drop them back down. And I do it for about 10 minutes, 10 to 12 minutes. You know what I'm saying? Make sure I like my wings fried hard. You know what I'm saying? Like them fried hard, baby. Oh, yeah. And then after that, you just let them things sit. Sit it on the drying rack for best results. But if you ain't got that, just get a bowl, some paper towels, and put it in there. But take them things out. Look at this right here. Let me show y'all. Ooh, wee. Oh, my good. Damn. Y'all see that? This is the most beautiful brown, crispiest wing ever. My back is towacculating. Goodness gracious. Oh, my Jesus. All right, so now we're going to put them things to rest, like I said. And then, look, now we're going to sauce it up. If y'all want the video of me showing y'all how to make sticky honey barbecue sauce, let me know. Drop it in the comments, and I got you, all right? Now, look, hit that sauce. Oh, my. Hit the wings with the sauce. Sauce it up, shake it up, sauce it up. And look, oh, my goodness, man. This was it. You know what I'm saying? Finger licking good. These wings make you want to slap your mama, for real. Or anybody beside you, you won't want to slap them. I'm telling you, it's that good. Y'all see that right there? Come on now. Sticky honey barbecue wings. Now you know how to make it. Go make it. Don't tell me I ain't told you so.